Many people start something new with strong energy and big hope. In the beginning, everything feels exciting. You feel ready to change your life. You wake up early, you make plans, and you tell yourself that this time will be different. You believe that success is close, and you feel happy because you finally start. But after some time, things slowly change. The work becomes harder. The results are not clear. You feel tired. You feel confused. And then, a quiet voice in your mind says, "Maybe I should stop." This is the moment when many people quit too soon. At first, quitting feels like a small decision. You tell yourself that you will try again later. You say that now is not the right time. You think you need more energy, more motivation, or a better plan. But the truth is, this moment is very important. This is the moment that decides your future. If you stop here, you lose the chance to grow. If you continue, even slowly, you move closer to your goal. Many people believe that success should come fast. They want to see results in a few days or weeks. But real growth is slow. It takes time. It takes effort. If you go to the gym for 1 week, your body will not change much. If you try to build a business for 1 month, you may not see profit. If you try to read books for a few days, your mind may not feel different. But if you stay with it, if you keep going, the results will come. Not fast, but real. Sometimes people quit because they feel bored. In the beginning, everything is new and interesting. But after some time, the work becomes normal. It is no longer exciting. It becomes a habit. And many people do not like this feeling. They want strong emotions. They want to feel excited every day. But real success is not about feeling excited all the time. It is about doing the work even when you feel nothing. You may wake up one day and not feel motivated. You may not want to study, to exercise, or to work on your goal. This is normal. Everyone feels like this. The difference is what you do next. If you wait for motivation, you may wait forever. But if you take action, even when you do not feel like it, you build discipline. And discipline is stronger than motivation. Another reason people quit too soon is fear. They are afraid of failure. They are afraid of making mistakes. They are afraid that other people will judge them. So when things become difficult, they choose to stop. It feels safer. It feels more comfortable. But this comfort is dangerous. It keeps you in the same place. It stops you from growing. Failure is not your enemy. It is your teacher. Every mistake shows you what does not work. Every problem helps you become better. If you never fail, you never learn. Think about a child learning to walk. The child falls many times, but the child does not quit. The child stands up again and again. And one day, the child can walk, then run. If the child quit after the first fall, nothing would happen. You are the same. You will fall. You will make mistakes. You will feel weak sometimes. But this is part of the process. Do not see it as a sign to stop. See it as a sign that you are trying. Sometimes we also quit because we compare ourselves to others. We look at people who are already successful. They speak better, they earn more money, they have more experience. And we feel small. We feel slow. We think, I will never be like them. But this way of thinking is not helpful. You do not see their full story. You only see their result. You do not see the years of hard work, the failures, the moments when they wanted to quit but did not. Everyone starts from zero. Everyone feels lost at the beginning. You are not behind. You are just at your own stage. Instead of comparing, Focus on your own progress. Ask yourself, am I better than yesterday? Even a small improvement is important. If you can do a little more each day, you are moving forward. There is a powerful idea you should remember. Progress is often invisible at first. You may work hard every day, but see no clear result. This can make you feel tired and disappointed. But change is happening inside you. Your skills are growing. Your mind is becoming stronger. Your habits are improving. You just cannot see it yet. It is like planting a seed. When you put the seed in the ground, nothing happens on the surface. Days pass and you see nothing. It is easy to think that the seed is dead. But under the ground, something is growing. Roots are forming. Life is building. And one day, the plant appears. But if you stop watering the seed too soon, it will never grow. Your effort is the same. You need to keep going, even when you cannot see results. When you feel like quitting, stop for a moment and ask yourself, why did I start? Your reason is your power. Maybe you want a better future. Maybe you want to help your family. Maybe you want to feel proud of yourself. This reason can give you strength when your energy is low. It also helps to make your goals simple. Do not try to do too much at once. If your goal is too big, you may feel afraid. Break it into small steps. Focus on one small action each day. For example, instead of saying, I will study English for 3 hours, say, I will study for 20 minutes. Small steps are easier to follow. And small steps, repeated every day, can create big results. Consistency is more important than intensity. It is better to do a little every day than to do a lot once and then stop. Many people work very hard for a short time, then feel tired and quit. But people who succeed are those who continue, even with small actions. You also need to be kind to yourself. Do not expect perfection. There will be days when you do less. There will be days when you feel weak. That is okay. You are human. The goal is not to be perfect. The goal is to not give up. If you feel very tired, take a rest. Rest is part of the journey. But do not turn rest into quitting. Come back again. Continue your path. Life is not a straight line. Some days are good. Some days are bad. Sometimes you feel strong. Sometimes you feel lost. But as long as you keep moving, you are on the right path. Think about how you will feel in the future. Imagine that you did not quit. Imagine that you continued, step by step, day by day. After 1 year, you will see a big change. You will feel proud. You will feel stronger. You will thank yourself for not giving up. Now imagine the opposite. Imagine that you quit today. 1 year later, you may feel regret. You may think, if I did not stop, I could be better now. This feeling is painful, and it is something you can avoid. The choice is yours. Every day you choose to continue or to stop. You choose to move forward or stay in the same place. There is something very special about people who do not quit. They are not always the smartest. They are not always the most talented. But they are strong in one simple way. They stay. They continue. They do not leave when things get hard. And because of this, they grow. They improve. They succeed. You can be that person. You do not need to be perfect. You do not need to be fast. You only need to keep going. When the road feels long, take one step. When you feel tired, slow down, but do not stop. When you feel doubt, remember your reason. When you feel fear, take action anyway. Your future is built by what you do today. Not by what you plan, not by what you think, but by what you do. So, do not quit too soon. You are closer than you think. The change you want is already on the way. You just need to give it more time. Keep going even when it is hard. Keep going even when it is slow. Keep going even when you do not feel ready. Because one day, everything will make sense. One day, you will look back and see that all your effort was worth it. And on that day, you will be glad that you did not quit.